PipelinePro has a GraphQL-like API, which is a self-commented and self-generated API writing system, and can also be consumed in Python format. Let's see a demonstration of how to use it in a very simple script of an API call inside Blender to paint information. First, we will go to our pipeline control system to get directly into the GraphQL system. For example, we will write a query and pressing CTRL Space to see the list of information that the system can supply us. For this example, we will access My Project, and as we do not know the syntax, we will press CTRL Enter to execute it, and it will automatically populate, giving us all the information. Now we will only have the name of the project, and if we want, for example, to have more information about the project, we can execute with CTRL Enter. And if we want more information with CTRL Space, will appear the list with all those available fields, including the fields that will allow us to hook with other tables of the system. We will use all this information, and for example, we are going to add a list of the episodes, and we will tell it that we want to receive the name and the code of the project. With CTRL Enter, we execute again. As we can see, the structure of the answer is the same structure as the question. So let's use this same syntax to translate it to our Python query. We have here a button for Blender and its respective button panel with the API button. And we are going to clone version 1 in order not to modify the previous one, and we will work on this version too. Here, we can see the import of the library, the part of the reload, and here we have the API. The type of call is a query the same as we have on the other side. In the Fields section, we will place the structure of the answer that we want to receive. We will say that we want to print name, and if we execute the call, it will print the name of the project. If now we would like to have all the information, for example, the list of episodes, we would copy this information and paste it on the other side, leaving it in a single line, and we execute the call. We see how it prints the list of all the episodes with the name of the project and its code. With this information, we can already make a loop with the content of the episodes. If, for example, we want to take the first object of the chain, we can ask it to give us the code of the first object and make the request. This way, we can perform any operation in the API and insert it in the button. There are circumstances in which we have to pass parameters to the object. For example, if we want to bring a task, where it will ask us to insert a task key to know the information of a specific task, to know all the details. With the constructed structure, we will pass all the information to the other side. And when executing, we see how again it prints us the result.